Okay, hello everyone. Hello, Hieten. Today we're going to look at how do I use the CAS calculator to plot two or three different types of graphs. The first one is called a dot plot, which is just like a dot on the graph. The second one is the box plot, and the last one is a histogram, a little bit like a bar chart. Okay, so we're still going to use the CAS software, and then we're going to share the same data for the whole class, which is this one over here. So I'm going to do the demonstration for you. After you watch the video, please try to spend some time working on your own CAS calculator to see if you can work this out. Okay, so first of all, we got to open our CAS software. And then when we click on new, you don't need to save any previous document. So the first thing we want to add is a list and spreadsheet. I hope at this stage you know how to add in the data. Now, somehow it might be easier to split the screen so you can have the CAS on the left-hand side and data on the right-hand side and make the typing a hell lot of easier. Now, some of you may not be able to see this CAS pad. That's because the default screen is on the document tool, which is a little bit like this. So if you want to be familiar with the calculator, you can click on the icon in the middle, says TI Smart View. So it will show you all the buttons on the CAS calculator. Of course, you can still use your keyboard, but you're given an idea of how to press the button on that. Okay, so here we just type in the data, so height, and we just need to keep going down and then filling all the data here: 144, 153, 167, 189, 155, 166, 172, 175, 149, and we are with 183, 186, 198, geez, that's tall, and 159, 168, 174, 177, 181, 150, 160, and 162. So you have 20 data in total. If you see the number 20 right next to the final number, you just type in. Good on you, you've successfully typing all the numbers. If you see any number like 19, 18, that means you might accidentally miss out one. Go back and check it and add it in. Okay, so this is our data and we just keep it in this column. Now today I'd like to show you how to graph it in different statistics format. So you see the instruction on the page, but you will also see the demonstration here. So here you need to click on this button says document, okay, and then go to insert and you choose the data and statistics, which is number 7. So go to insert, go to data and statistics. Okay, so in the first point, it's really a cluster of number which does not show anything. So because we only have one variable, all we need to do is go to the bottom one, click on it, and change to the height. And then this is the dot plot that we're getting. So if you see two dots, one above another, that usually means in this category we have like two data. Okay. Now, this is just a very basic use of that. Now, we're going to talk about how do we draw a box plot and how do we draw a histogram from this point of view. So to draw a box plot, what you need to do is go to the menu, okay, and go to actions. Oops, my bad. Sorry, go to plot type, my bad. And then in the first bit, you'll be able to see this one says box plot. Life is easy, just click on it. It'll do the job for you. You'll see it move up and everything else just magically disappear. If you move the cursor along the line, you'll see that's the minimum point. That's the first quartile. That's the median. That's the third quartile. That is the highest point. So everything is nicely analyzed for you. Okay? So this is a bar chart. Sorry, box plot. And the second one is a histogram. Still the same idea. Go to menu, go to plot type, change that to histogram. Okay, so this one will become a little bit like a bar chart. The only difference is that the horizontal axis, horizontal axis stands for the height, and the vertical is the frequency. Frequency means how often. So this is 1, so that means 1 point. This is 3, that means 3 points, and this is 2, that means 2 points that fit into the category. So you'll be able to see these two as measure. So basically for today's lesson, I'd like you to input this data into your CAS calculator. And following the steps and then strategies the instruction over here, you can double check the video. Try to eventually get 3 things: the dot plot, um, the what's that called? The box plot, and finally the histogram. Okay, so if you have these 3 images, once you get one down, take a snip and then try to put that onto your personal OneNote. You can even write a short note on your own OneNote about how do you do that. I'll help you to memorize um, how to put things there in your CAS. Right? So anyway, good luck.